Going into a showroom can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Is this your first time as a homeowner that's going through a luxury remodel or building a new luxury home? Or are you a first-time home builder that's wanting to get into the luxury game? I think we all realize that walking into the showroom is the best place to find those quality or luxury products for your home. But if you've never been in a showroom before, or if you've never used one successfully, here's a few tips on how to navigate that showroom. The first step is, don't be intimidated. The showroom consultants are there to help guide you and work with you to design that beautiful home and to teach you about the differences in the material and the products that are available in that showroom. Now, when you get down to the selection process, the first step that I always like to start with is selecting your faucet first. The reason why is because there's multiple different options. You can fit more faucets in a showroom than anything else. You could see the quality of that product from that manufacturer. You could choose your style, you can choose your finish, all from the selections of the faucets that you have there. It's a good starting point. The next step in working with the showroom is going to design your shower. How many functions do you want in the shower? And by functions, I mean, do you want a rain head? Do you want a shower head? How many shower heads? Do you want a hand shower? How many hand showers? Do you want body sprays? These are all different functions. You select that first and it's going to guide you to the right valve that you're going to use in your wall. Did your customer or do you care about turning a dial on a shower and setting that temperature? Always having the temperature stay at that setting throughout your entire shower? Or do you want to have to adjust the temperature yourself and keep moving it hotter and hotter as you take a longer and longer shower because you start running out of hot water? You're making all the adjustments by yourself. Does that matter? Once those things are decided, this is where you go back to that faucet selection and you coordinate all your showering products to that style and that finish. This is also a time to talk about steam showering or digital showering to really elevate that shower to a home spa. The next step, are you a bather? Is your customer a bather? If not, well, they should be. There's a lot of benefits on the wellness side to taking a bath every day. So this is where you're going to select your tub. Usually we're going to coordinate that style of the faucet and now your shower to the style of the tub that you're going to put in there. Also, this is where we think about therapies for that tub. Do we want a nice massaging air bath, chromotherapy, aromatherapy, all things wellness? Again, you can make a spa in your own home. Then let's look at the bath accessories. Obviously, we want everything coordinating, so you need to work with a manufacturer that has all the options for what you're going to need. Made out of a quality product and the styles that are going to coordinate with that faucet and that shower and the finish that you've selected for that faucet and that shower. Everything being cohesive. What about your shower door pulls? What about your shower door hinges? Are they in the same finish and same style that you chose for the bathroom products? For your faucet and your shower? You should be working with a company that gives you those options. The last step I'm going to discuss is looking at your hardware. You want to work with a company, again, that has custom options for you to be able to select a coordinating style that works with your faucetry and your shower and your bathtub and your bath accessories. Can you mix and match finishes? Can you mix this handle with this rose? Get a company that's going to give you customized options for your door and cabinet hardware. Don't be afraid to ask that consultant about the different brands and what's the difference in the products and the quality. Which brands do they like best? Maybe they don't have everything on display, but do they have a catalog that you can look through and make those selections? By feeling the product and seeing the product there, you know what you're getting from that company. Looking through a catalog, when you work with the manufacturers that have hundreds and hundreds of different options, they're not going to have everything. But at least you know the style and you know the quality and you know the finish and you know the look that you're going for. Make those selections using a consultant's guidance. So these are my tips for working with a showroom if you're a first-time home builder, home remodeler, first-time home designer. Use these consultants. Let them guide you through the process. It's great to have a starting point to then build off of that, using the quality products and using that consultant's samples, their knowledge, and their guidance to help you build that perfect vision that you have in your head for your bathroom or kitchen. Hopefully you found this video useful, and if you did, please let me know what questions you have. Give me your feedback. Like, reshare, interact with this video. Thank you so much for watching.